The second thing that you have to worry about is psychology. You are going to everywhere interact with human beings, not machines. And if you understand these two subjects, economics and psychology, you have covered the gamut. It's a need and want system. There are a couple of things you must understand when you want to do an MBA. I don't want you to know whether you want to do finance, systems, HR, but you must understand something of this sort, right? MBA, everywhere in the world, will never die. It is a perennial thing. In India, definitely yes, because businesses want to grow. And if businesses want to grow, it becomes a larger and larger pyramidal structure. And at every level, they want professional managers to control the business. So, one of the things that is very important, or one of the areas, let me explain to you very simply, it's nothing very complicated, is finance. Let us assume Vedanta, or that is a company, or MRF, wants to put 1,000 crore project, right? It has 900 crores and it needs 100 crores more. Where will it go? Where will it go? To the bank. Obviously, he can't come to you and say, boss, come here, give me 100 crores. He can't, no. So he has to go to an institution, and that's a bank. So, this gentleman from MRF, you know Mr. Kamath? You have heard about Mr. Kamath? He is the head of ICICI. Now, MRF CEO and Mr. Kamath are friends, right? Like you were friends in college. He can't walk into his room and say, hi Mr. Kamath, how are you? Can you lend me 100 crores? You think Mr. Kamath will give him 100 crores? No. But let's assume that this whole process is executed and the 100 crores are done. What is the monthly interest? Same interest, 10% per annum. On 100 crores is 10 crores. Per month, what is the interest? 80 lakhs. Now, is it like change in your pocket? You think the CEO of MRF can one day walk into, Mr. Kamath's office and say, hi Mr. Kamath, I have brought you 80 lakhs. You want it? You don't want it? Okay, I'll keep it in my pocket. Is that the way the transaction is going to work? So when you want to manage resources, you manage larger and larger and larger resources. You do an MBA in finance. So you think Mr. Kamath has time to go through that project report? He doesn't have time. So he'll make an MBA in finance, go through that project report and give him an answer whether it is a safe bet for ICICI to give 100 crores to MRF. You must understand psychology. I think India is a beautiful country. I believe India is a fantastic country because it's a confluence of cultures. It's an advantage. You know why? People keep saying Indian managers are brilliant globally. Why are they brilliant globally? You think they have better analytical skills than the Americans? In the last 5 years, you know which is the country that has won the mathematics championship at the Olympiad at the junior level? I think it's none other than Hungary and the US. These are the countries that appear. India doesn't appear over there. Then how come Indian managers are better globally? We are all talking about Indian managers. I'll tell you what. Management is a cultural interaction. You have to be able to manage people. If you're not able to manage people, it's over. In our country, we love this. If I walk into a South Indian home today, I have to remove my chappal and then walk into your kitchen. If I walk into a North Indian home today, I can walk in with my shoes right into the kitchen. Right? We have Eid, we have Diwali, we have Pongal, we have Holi. We celebrate so many and we participate in so many of these things. This is a boon for you. Indians are brilliant managers because they culturally fit into the whole system. If you don't understand culture, if you don't understand people, if you don't understand psychology, if you don't understand trends, what marketing are we talking about? And believe me, everybody today wants to do finance. I love marketing. It's the love and the passion that you bring to the table which excites the situation. And since we were talking about Irene Rosenfield, she's not a finance specialist, she's a marketing person. Right? It works, guys, it works. And then, did you understand about logistics? What do you understand about logistics? There is a company known as Cisco. Do you know Cisco? Not CISCO, CYSCO. Cisco is a company in the United States of America which has a turnover of $35 billion. And you know what it does? It just transports perishable goods across the continent of America. That's all it does. That is logistics. To me, packaging, pricing, all this is marketing, the thrill. You think, by the way, marketing is working on three things: fear, greed and ego. I am IMS, right? I train you for the cat. You think I am really training you for the cat? How can I train you for the cat? I can only give you an atmosphere to train you for the cat. Then students will come and tell me, sir, I pay you 20,000 rupees. How much material do you give me? You think the material that I give you is useful? It is not useful. I will give you more and more. 5 kilo, 10 kilo, 15 kilo. Say, take. So you will say, Arey, wonderful, itna material, very good. Young generation, Pepsi, give me more. Everybody fights. Sir, cat. I tell them, why are you taking more than 5 tests? No, sir, I need at least 50. Why do you need 50? How can you become a manager? If you can't understand within one whether you can do it or not, there is no point in doing 50. You know how many institutes in this country trying to tell you to teach MBA? 3,000. Welcome to India.